Hello, welcome to Madhuscuisine. Today I am going to show you a mouth-watering snack which is chicken Kavirazi or chicken Kaviraji. For this recipe I need chicken fillet, lime or lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, green chili paste and salt to taste, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 eggs and some breadcrumbs. Now I am going to prepare the marinade. Add the garlic paste in the lemon juice, then ginger paste, little salt and green chili paste. Now keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Chicken has been marinated. Coat the chicken with breadcrumbs. Now fry it. Fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes so the chicken gets cooked. So chicken is fried now. I will keep aside. Now I am going to prepare the special covering for the chicken. Add the salt, black pepper and corn flour. Beat the egg. Mix well so that no lumps remain. Now heat the oil. Now I am going to sprinkle the egg very quickly. Place the chicken and cover. Very crisp and bubbly cover has been formed. Now it's ready to serve. My mouth-watering chicken Kavirazi or chicken Kaviraji is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.